This is not just another iPhone update. iOS 26 is here and it looks like Apple accidentally hit the future mode switch. Your iPhone's about to translate real-time calls, screen spam like a bouncer and move like it's made of liquid glass. And yeah, it's launching with iPhone 17 in just a few weeks, so let's break down everything insane you need to know before you update or upgrade. So what even is this update? iOS 26 is Apple's biggest leap in years. It drops this September alongside the iPhone 17 lineup, of course, and is loaded with stuff people actually care about. The first thing you'll notice, liquid glass UI. Menus, lock screen, widgets, everything looks like a melted iPhone dipped in sci-fi. It's not just design, it's an experience upgrade. But this is where it gets scary. Here's the part that will blow your mind. Apple's intelligence is now built straight into your phone. You can literally translate phone calls live, ask your phone to search through your screenshots by what's in them, create custom emojis just by typing a vibe, hello, Genmoji, let AI auto-write your shortcuts based on what you usually do, and finally it screens unknown callers before you even hear a ring. But Apple didn't stop with features, they revamped the apps too. Messages now has backgrounds, polls, Apple Pay inside chats, typing indicators, and it feels like iMessages finally grew up. Phone app is brand new, full call history, spam filter, and hold assist, so your phone waits on hold for you. Apple Music has a DJ style auto mix mode and lyrics in any language. There's a brand new Games Hub too with achievements, stats, and tracking. Maps, Safari, Wallet, CarPlay, all smarter, cleaner, and better. Basically, Apple just remembered their app exists and upgraded all of them. But the most important question, is your phone actually included in this upgrade? If you've got an iPhone 11 or newer, including the SE 2nd generation, you're getting iOS 26. Even if your phone is 5 years old, you're still in. Everyone else? Well, maybe now's the time to trade that fossil in. And yeah, the new iPhone 17s will ship with iOS 26 pre-installed. 4 models, new camera button, insane upgrades, but more on that later. But should you actually be hyped? Well, let's be honest, recent iOS updates kinda boring, bug fixes and lock screen widgets. Not this one though. iOS 26 feels like Apple got tired of playing it safe. It's bold, it's weird, and it finally brings AI features you'll use every single day. So you won't have to dig into settings to feel this update. You'll see the second your phone turns on.